Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to save your NC files or your numerical control files. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head back into the program here. Now, like I mentioned, today's topic, we're going to be looking at how to save NC files. Now, at first, this can be a bit challenging, but once you get the hang of what, and I'll show you how the workflow goes, then it becomes a bit more simple. Now, you will notice, let's say we've got our file open here, and we go to save. That if we select where we want to save it at and we go to save as type, we will see this is not an NC file. This is an NST file, which is pretty much native currently to the program. So if I open that, we can see under that we don't have the option NC, we've got all files. So this is where it gets confusing at first. Now the solution to this is pretty simple, but yeah, let me just explain so you can kind of see what's happening. So first thing you want to do is you want to go into your actual CAM, and then for sure remember, if you then go to save, you will find that it's still not there. So you have to then go one file further, go to the NC, and then if we had to go to save, you will see now it is no longer previous file format, but it is actual NC format. Now from the list you cannot find the previous one either, so we only have one format, an NC. Then you select the NC, you save the file, and then yeah, I'm just going to say save here, and basically it just tells us this file has been saved correctly. So like I said, at first this can be quite challenging if you want to save your NC file. So just remember, you have to go into your CAM and then into the NC, and then if you go to file to the save, then only do we have the option for NC file. So I definitely say make note of this. It's a good one to remember, because like I say, if you have another program that can interpolate this type of information, then you want to know how to be able to actually save your NC files. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the process of saving an NC file. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.